done this face strip with the face mask. I just got the shower as well. I look bald. I'm probably gonna change my shirt to a tank top as usual. I gotta work out with my brother right after this. I don't know where we're going because my mom didn't tell me, so. But yeah. Preparing for a trip. I'm so happy I'm finally going somewhere so I can vlog outside. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Now I can hear me, I'm guessing. I do my sister's hair as well. I gotta retwist her dreads, but like not retwist them, like fix them up a little bit. I think I still need to. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna put skincare, like some of my skincare products on. Not a lot, not all of them, but some of them. After this workout, I'm going to sleep. I can't take it no more. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Good night, guys. I have to fix my lashes because okay, I'm done. It's not a school night, but like when it's a school night, I be struggling to get up. But like I just got up and went to the bathroom without any problems. I woke up before my alarm clock. I don't know why, but I did. My morning routine, and I'm back. I'm not gonna show y'all that because I always do that. So yeah. So it's easier to put my camera right here because like I don't have to move it. But with this, I have to move it. Now I'm about to do my hair. I was gonna do like a whole hairstyle, but like now that I'm thinking about it, if my hair looks good the way it is, and it's looking like I'm gonna keep it this way. I'm gonna hair later because I have a lot of time to fix my hair. I know I woke up so early, like this early. But I'm gonna wait. I just finished getting my stuff packed. I think this video turned out the way I wanted to because I don't know. I think it's early in the morning and I don't really normally do videos this early. But when I used to, it didn't turn out right. I think it's because I like rested. I didn't take time to like talk to the camera, so. I keep talking to the camera today, so I just packed my things. I'm not actually sitting on the toilet. I'm not actually on the toilet. I'm just sitting on the toilet. But yeah, I just gotta wait because like we literally leave at like 6:30 and it's 5:54, I think. So like only like 6:15. No, not 6:15. Like 6 o'clock, that's when I'll be like getting ready for real. But for now, I'm just gonna chill. My head is like really hurting. My head is like, it's not bad, but it's not bad. My head is hurting. See you in a minute. Okay, now I'm about to do my hair. I should be able to cover it up, I think. Don't look that hard. They got these and stuff. crusty right now. Yes, it was a long day. Y'all can tell it was a long day. So I gotta fix my lashes. I do my skincare because my face is dry. Face is dry. And what else? Get in the shower. And yeah, do my hair as well. Cause I have to go out again. Like go on the train or something. I don't know. I have to look presentable at least. I had to improvise and put y'all somewhere. So don't worry about it. When you go to bed, put cold water on your face. Also, I'm going to, when I get shower, after I get a shower, I'm gonna fix my lashes. My song, guys.